Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to make the light olive skin tone. We're going to uncover a technique we use to really get great warm looking skin tones in Photoshop. For this, it's important to start off a good photo. Making sure you're working on a photo that was well lit and properly photographed is as crucial as your actions in Photoshop, if not even more. We'll start by adding color balance layer and name it skin. To start working with the adjustment, we first need to make a selection of the subject. We'll use Quick Selection tool. You can use any other method to select the subject. After the selection is done, select the masked thumbnail of skin layer and press Command I. Now let's deselect the selection and press Command I again to reverse the black and white of the mask layer. Let's smooth things up by adding a Gaussian blur. Somewhere around 5 to 10 pixels should be fine depending on your image size. Now let's start working with the parameters. Click on the parameter thumbnail and choose Shadows for tone. Adjust the cyan red and yellow blue to either warm or cold colors depending on your image and what results you are trying to achieve. Do this for the midtones too. The parameters don't have to be the same as long as the image is looking great. You can always have contrasting colors for shadows, midtones, and highlights. It all depends on your image. However, remember to try and keep things subtle. When done, let's change the blending mode of the skin layer to color. Feel free to go back and edit the color parameters or even lower the layer opacity in case the colors are too strong. What other image editing tutorials would you like us to make? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.